In this video, I'll show you how to make an NLP text analyzer that can find the entities in text on your pages or competitor pages. Then we'll extract all of the entities and their salience scores, and we'll feed it to an AI to provide optimization recommendations. By better optimizing your page for entities, search engines are going to have an easier time figuring out what your content is about, and it's going to make it easier for search engines to rank your content. And this is a pretty simple tool to build. You don't need any coding skills. I'll show you how to make it with my favorite no-code drag and drop builder. And this idea actually came from someone in the AI SEO Academy, which is a free group where I share tools and learnings similar to this one. There's a post in there called Custom Tool Requests. So lots of people have given great ideas for cool tools, and that's where the idea for this came from. So here's how you build an app like this. First up, you're going to need a no-code app builder. I like to use Moonlit platform. There's actually lots of tools out there like Moonlit. This is just the one that I prefer to use. I like it because it's the only no-code AI tool builder that's focused on SEO. To use it, you just need to make an account. When you create your account, it's going to look something like this. And you'll even get free credits every month to use the platform. You get 300 credits for free. So that's plenty of credits to mess around with and build tools. Then I'm going to click Create New App. And then I'm just going to start with a blank one. Then for the inputs, I'm going to add a text input. And then I'm going to give it a label, Text to Analyze. Then I'm going to add another text input. And I'm going to call this one Optimization Keyword. You can mess around with the labels and stuff. For this video, I'll just keep it simple. And that's the inputs for the app. Now we're going to add functions. I click Add Function here, and then I'm going to pick the text analysis one by Google. Then we're going to configure it, and we just need to give it the text to analyze. To do that, you just hit slash, and then you can pick your text input. I'm going to pick text input 1, which is our text to analyze. Now, if I click on the test tab, I can see my inputs here, text to analyze and optimization keyword. And when I give this app text to analyze, it's going to pass it to the Google Text Analyzer. Now I'm going to pass the output of the text analyzer to a chat model. I'm going to pick GPT-4o Mini as the chat model. Then I'm going to give it the variables for the prompt. Here's the first part, text to analyze. Here's the first part, which is the text analysis from the first step. I'm going to copy that and paste it there. So that's going to pass the text analysis into the chat model. Now I'm also going to give it the optimization goals, which is the second text output. So I'm going to copy that and paste it there. That's all you need to do to pass the chat model the keyword or phrase that you're trying to optimize for. And then for the system message, we're going to put something like this. Provide a markdown report and provide the optimized version of the text. The actual prompt says a little more than that. You can pause this if you want, but that's all I need to do for now. And now I just need to add an output. So I'm going to click on Add Output, and I'm going to add a text output. And then I'm going to pass the chat model output to the text output so that I can actually see what it generates. Now I'm going to test this app and see if it works. To test it out, I'm just going to grab a random web page, and I'm going to grab some of the text from that page. So I'm just going to copy all of this text about RFP responses, and I'm going to paste it into my text to analyze section. Then for the keyword to optimize for, let's go with RFP response. So I'll just paste that in. Then I'm going to click Run App down here and cross my fingers and hope it works well. You can see the models are running. It's completed the Google text analysis, and now it's running the chat model. If you look down at the bottom left, it'll also show you how many estimated credits the app is going to use. This one uses 9 credits. And here we go. Here's our text analysis report. We have our salience score for all of the words found in that text. And because of the prompt, it's actually creating the optimized text for me. You can see that these bolded words contain entities from the text analysis. So it's a pretty smart and easy way to optimize content with AI and natural language processing. If you're happy with the output, you can just highlight it and copy and paste it. Or you can click this little copy icon down here. Or let's say you're not happy with the output. You can actually edit the output a little bit, and it opens up an editor like this. And I'm going to ask it something like this. Please try the optimized text in paragraph form instead of the bullet list. Because the optimized text actually made a list. So if I don't like that, I can change it pretty easily. Just go in here, chat with it, tell it what I want. Just give it a second, kind of like you're working in ChatGPT. It's going to make those revisions for you. And here's my newly optimized text in paragraph form instead of the list. Let's say you're still not happy with the text. You go back to build, go back into your chat model, and you can pick a different model. I started with GPT 4o Mini. Maybe you like Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Let's try that. It might give a better output. Or you can tweak the prompts or change the temperature settings. You could even add more steps or functions to the process to create a more robust tool. Then when you're happy with your app, you go over here to the Share tab, change the status. You can set it to public without cloning, or public, anyone can use it and clone it. Let's say I want to share it, but I don't want people to be able to clone it. I can do that. Then you just copy this shareable link. You could even embed it on a web page or even hook it up to an API. Then when you share this link with other people, they're going to get this nice interface like this so that they can try out your new text analyzer app. Pretty cool, pretty easy. It makes SEO a lot easier and more fun. If you want to get more tools and tutorials like this one, you can join the AI SEO Academy on School. It's free to join and there's lots of great stuff in there. I'll share this link with you so you can try the app out for yourself. Maybe you can even clone it and customize it a little bit.